Okay, what's up guys? Mark from Entrepreneurs here, and we continue this sell this now. So these videos are coming out once a day, and a lot of times I record a lot of them the same day, and I was doing some product research. So this applies to you guys who are beginners. If you want to do product research for Amazon dropshipping as a beginner, you could use Zoro, the supplier, right? I am using OA Genius, Gravity, and Jungle Scout in my product research. There are links in the description for those too. If you want us to do it for you, there's a link in the description for it done for you as well. If you want to learn how to do it, there's a link in the description to Entrepreneurs. And that's where our training is. So I was doing some product research on these trash cans. And I came across this one. The margin is horrible. The margin is $3. With cashback, you might make $10. But let me see if it's selling. Because sometimes I get items that give me 30-40%. I have some items from one of our beginner suppliers. They give me 36%. The account that a lady just found some items on Walmart and gave her 29%. Sometimes if items are selling a lot, we'll put them at low margin. But I don't know if this is selling a lot. So let's see. The interesting thing about this item, it has a decent sales rank. It's not that bad. But the challenge with using sales rank to estimate actual sales, so the sales rank says 12,000. So technically speaking, it should be selling. But because of the category, not all the times these items sell. So let's see what data is on there. It's not really giving me any data because there's no buy box. Wow. So yeah, I don't even know if this sells. I suspect, listen, I wouldn't choose this as today's item to sell because I don't have proof that it's selling. But because of the sales rank, I suspect that it would. But anyway, let me look for some other stuff. So let's look for that's recycling bins. What is expensive in this? Let's see. There are 2,000 items above $400. So let's see what the expensive items are selling for. Sold by relevance. All right, let's just put relevance. So there are some high-priced trash cans. So let's see what OAG is selling us here. Let's see if there are any that's selling regularly that gives us some profit. So it's working, baby. Although it takes a couple of minutes, there's no way you can do this manually this fast. So what OAG is doing is just going through the page. Come on, baby. Why are you taking so long? I should reduce the sales rank, but I'll leave it to 500,000. So there's nothing on this page that would give me a profit. Yeah, dude. Wow. All right. Next category. Let's keep it moving. Clearly, people don't want to recycle stuff. Janitor and cleaning supplies. I don't really want to sell you liquid vacuums. If you're doing vacuums, you want to make sure and look at the brand, right? So you guys, if you listen to these items, you want to have to do not sell this. This is cheap stuff, so I didn't want to go there, but let me just do it for the video. Because maybe some of you guys like to sell cheap stuff. And a lot of cheap stuff sells more regularly, and people buy it multiple times, and people want to clean now and all that stuff. So let's see. Again, coming back with OA Genius. Gravity is going through the 36 items on this page. All right, for the first one, This is interesting because this says a pack of 5 on the supplier and it's a pack of 10 on Amazon. I can see that from the jump. But let me see. It says 22 match, but we have to see. Like, look at this. This item, 90 bucks. There's no way the margins are high. So I wouldn't really waste my time right just yet. These two, they match, but the margin is shit. If there's a buy box, we could sell the same item and raise the price a little bit and still sell it. If there's no buy box, then you have to be the cheapest. I want to come back to that. Rubbermaid. Right now, what I'm looking at first are the images to see if they match. So this one is here. 4 people are selling it. It's the same here. 2-pack. Hands, flowers. Yeah, this is the same thing. There's a buy box, right? So because there's a buy, let me do a jungle scout. First of all, let's see if this is selling. I could be talking and wasting you guys' time. So it's FBM. So it is being drop shipped, but it doesn't seem to be any volume. I'm going to refresh just to see if I get anything. But this is the thing. Like, although the sales rank seems good, you could have listed that and not make any money. Be like, why is it selling? Because it's not. All right, so let's see if any of these. I don't like these cheap things. Let me look for some. We can look at some vacuums. And then after, maybe later on, we look at some like car stuff. Vacuums and steamer. Little higher priced. You want to check it, do not sell it. Remember, but let's go through. So they're saying that 33 is possible. So this says 15. So this, let me just go through quickly and see if any images quickly match. Nothing perfect yet. 2, a vacuum hose, 1.5. So this might be a match. This one, this might be, yeah, this one might be a match. Good sales rank, not great margin, but the price is a cheap product. So that's actually not that bad at all. If it's correct. This one does not seem to be a match. This one, 16 to 22. This one actually seems like it could be a match. So let me check these. Definitely not a match. Craftsman. This can be, so let's check. Or it may not be, right? I could be wrong. Or record deluxe handheld. So this can be as well. This might be a decent category. This is definitely not a match. This is a vacuum. This is the carrying. That may be a match. That's the last one. So I opened all of them except the last one. So let's see. So this one was not any good. No sales. You can list it and hope. This one, right. So this is the hose, the shop vac hose. 4 people selling it. So you have to check to see if you're allowed to sell it because Shop Vac has a store on Amazon. Right? 1.5. Let me see there's a part number. A lot of times, if you have the manufacturer number, you could kind of confirm it's the right thing. But this is 69 bucks, and this is 26. So I find it hard to believe, but I need a manufacturer number. So part number 905-6600. This is not 906, so this is a whole different, but I'm just curious. Shop vac. This could be a waste of time, guys. I'm just curious. So this is the item. 12 people selling it. But I don't know if they sell through it. I just took a left turn. I just did a little bit of extra work. If it's selling, it might be worth it. Or it may not, right? Like, let's see if it's selling. Because it's 40 bucks. And on and you guys can learn from this. Like, I'm talking through what my thought process and all this stuff. It's 40 bucks, so you only get in like 36 because Amazon will charge you 15%. Why is this taking so long, dude? And I opened a ton of windows, but let me see this thing. Right. So the source price is $32.66. That's with shipping. $6 shipping. So if they're selling it, if it's at Amazon for $40.71 and there is volume, it's worth selling it because you'll make your 10%. A little bit, maybe a little below, a little above it with cashback. But Jungle Scott needs to stop fucking up. But this is what product research is about, guys. And I have some other things to check, like this and this. That does not seem to be the same thing. Or is it? Isn't Pro 5? No, that's not the same thing. Dayton. And Craftsman, that's not even the same brand. So you can't list that one. ShopVac. Come on, Amazon, stop messing up. I want to go back. ShopVac filter, blah, blah. Only 2 people sell. Only 2 people are selling this item. So let's see. And ShopVac has a store. So maybe you may not even be able to sell that item. And when I see 2 people selling an item, you're either very lucky, which is usually not the case. So this is interesting. It's all FBM. It's selling 15 times a month, right? You're making some money because... Where is this thing? You're making some money. Where is this baby? 11 bucks. It's selling. If you can get approved for ShopVac, that's your item right there. But I'm checking this other one. This holds. This thing is not giving me any fucking... And the thing is, how many people are selling this one? 12 people are selling this one. So I'm even more convinced that you could sell it. But Jungle Scott is just not giving me any data. Come on, baby. I gave the guys one thing to sell, but I want another one. We're here already. Why kill the party now? Come on, Jungle Scout. This thing would not give me the bloody sales volume. Anyway, guys, you guys have the other one. That one, there is margin. You just have to check to see if you can sell it. Let me check this one also. I'm annoyed. This one, 16 people are selling it. Same brand. And it's giving you sales volume. 17 times a day. Like, come on. So there's margin there also. $7. It's selling for 19. Let's see what are we talking about here? So that's here. Right, so you're making $4 on a $20 item. So you're making 40%. And it's selling. And a ton of people are selling it. No, but wait. This is a 2-pack here on Amazon. Hold on. So this is a 2-pack on Amazon. $906, $7,100. And over here, this is a 3-pack. $906, $6,100. So no, that's not the same item. So don't touch that. But the other bags would work. These, let me go back to it. These are the same. Same 5-pack. You're making $11. It's selling. So you're good there. But I'm still annoyed that this item is not allowing me to bloody see the thing, dude. I'm trying one more thing. So this is a page for the item. Jungle Scout, some messing up. So this would be the item for this video, the bags, but I still am annoyed. I want to see if I get any sales volume. Okay, so it's all FBM, 19 times a month. You're still making 10% margin. So in this video, you guys get 2. Subscribe to my channel, like my video, hit the bell notification because I'm giving you items to sell every day. In the description, there's a link to these items that we're finding, the most up-to-date link, the most up-to-date list. Go get that. If you want us to do the work for you, there's a done for you application. Check that out. There's Trading in Entrepreneur Zone.